Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kimberly. I really do hope you stick around. Please hit that subscribe button and also hit the post notifications, like hit the bell so your post notifications will be on. Can I talk? Can I get what I'm saying out? But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really love you guys. I really appreciate the support, guys. We hit 70K and I'm super happy. Like, we're very close to that 100K. I just hope you guys keep, subscribe, refer my channel to a friend, like share my videos, like, comment, and just keep the support going, because it's been amazing and I would not be this far without you guys. So thank you guys. I love you guys. But yeah, let's get into today's video, guys. Today's video is let me get my notes because I can't. So guys, today's video is in partnership with Kriyya Hair. I hope I did not butcher their name, but shout out to them for sponsoring this video. They sent me a wig to review for y'all, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is what the hair comes in, a typical box. I believe this is their 24-inch headband wig, and this headband wig is a 99J. So we're gonna get into that, but let me just show you guys what else I got in the box. They sent me a lot of headbands. They sent me this headband, super cute, very fall appropriate right now. And they also sent me another little bag with headbands, and I'm just gonna try them all. Let's see. We have a red. Red is always a good time. I also have this blue and white one, which is really nice. This band, what you call that? This bandeau looking one. It's kind of like a handkerchief. So I like the pattern on that. I love that one. And they sent me this purple one. Y'all know purple is my color. Lavender is my favorite color. And they sent me just a regular simple one. But yeah guys, let's get into this video. Y'all know that headband wigs are it right now. They're going to be around for a while because there still is a shortage on lace. So y'all just get used to these headband wigs, because I'm not mad at them at all, because it's way easier to do my hair, so I'm not upset. Oh, I also got another headband on the inside. So we have a lot of options today. So this is the wig, and I think it's beautiful. The color is really nice. Y'all know I love reds, so this 99J is really nice. If you don't want a really bright red and you want that nice cranberry color, this is it. And it's very long. It's 24 inches, so I'm definitely going to enjoy that. And I believe this is their straight headband wig, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave all that information on the screen or in the description box down below. And the inside of the wig, oh, this is, so the inside of the wig carries a lot of combs. A comb right here, two combs on the sides, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And then you have the headband itself. So this wig is secure. This one is one of those that's not gonna go anywhere. So it does start dark at the root, and then it what you call that, and then it merges. That's not even the right word, but then it blends into the 99J color. So we're gonna get this on. Y'all know these headband wigs are super quick. I already have my edges somewhat laid, not really, but I have my hair tucked to the back. So yeah, for the headband wigs, if you don't want to leave your edges out, you can definitely put it to the front and put a headband, but I rather leaving just a little bit out, just so I get kind of a natural look, or a more natural look. But yeah, let's try this headband on. So I adjusted the straps to my liking, so we're just gonna get this wig on. And y'all know these wigs are quick. quick. So I think I'll use the comb. I usually don't use the comb in the front, honestly, because I want to be able to push the hair back. So you know what? We're not using the comb. I'm gonna use a comb in the back though, and because it has adjustable straps, you know it's already secured. Like magic, literally like magic. Boom. Our hair is done. Like your hair is basically done just by doing that. This fits pretty good. And I didn't use the combs on the sides only because I want to push it back a little bit just so we have that hairline showing. But if you don't want to show your hairline, that's totally fine. It still looks great, but I personally just want to show my hairline so it blends a little better. So this is what we're looking like. The hair is super full. The hair is full. Like the hair is really full and it feels so good and it's really smooth, so I have to give them that. The hair is really smooth, it's really full. This is how far down it comes. Like it comes all the way down to my waist area. It's 24 inches, so it comes all the way down. I'm gonna go in with my flat iron just to like straighten the side a little bit, straighten like the little crinkles that's in the hair, only because it was in the packaging for however long. So I'm going to go in with my flat irons real quick, and then we're gonna try the headbands on. So like don't go anywhere, and while you're there, please subscribe, please like the video, and just comment. Like, come on now. But yeah guys, this hair is nice. Okay guys, so I straightened the hair for the most part. I didn't really like go in like layer by layer because I just wanted to fix the crinkles, but I did straighten it somewhat, and this is what it looks like. I am really pleased with this hair. It doesn't shed, the color is beautiful, the hair feels very soft, and it reacts to heat well, so it's all like a plus for me. The cap construction on this headband wig is A1. They have extra adjustable straps in it. It has like four combs on the inside, so I feel like it's really secure. It fits great, so that's a plus. The length, I think it's true to length because it does hit me below my waist, so that's pretty good. I love the color. What else? I have nothing bad to say about this, to be honest. The only thing with these headband wigs, especially the straight ones, they gonna show this forehead, honey, but all, you know, pretty girls have big foreheads, so it's fine. We're gonna embrace the forehead today. So this is what it looks like without any headband on. I'm going to try the headbands on for you, but I wanted to just show you the hair. This is the hair, really nice, really nice. I have everything pulled towards the front just so you could see. So you could wear it like this. This is what it looks like at the side. And this is the back, and this is what it looks like with all the hair pulled towards the back, so it looks really good and full. It hits you, see, it hits me really far, like almost at my butt, at the top of my butt, so that's good. So let's just try the headbands on so we can see. But this wig thus far is just really nice, and it looks natural in a sense. I feel like when you leave your hair out at the front, it does give you a natural look, and because the hair starts dark and then it gets like the 99J color, I feel it looks more natural because of that. So let's try these headbands on. I'm gonna go in with this first because I really wanted to try it. So guys, I just wanted to show you, if you didn't want to wear like the headband wig with your edges out, you can do this. You can wear it on your actual hairline or in front of your hairline and it'll still look cute. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out Kriyya Hair. All their information will be down in the description box down below. The direct link to this wig will be there. So if y'all want to get this wig, then you can definitely do that. Like this video, be sure to comment down below and also subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Please turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified when I do upload. So guys, I promised I would start doing shout outs again. So I'm going to start doing my crowned crush in every video. Well, I'll try, because honestly sometimes I don't remember. But my crown crush for this week, I'm gonna do like 2 shout outs. Yeah, 2, since it's been so long. I want to shout out D Luther. I'm going to put her comment somewhere on the screen. Thank you for commenting under my video. Thank you for showing me love. I also want to shout out Smooches B. Every video she's there, every single video without fail. I can guarantee she'll leave a comment, guys, and I really appreciate that. Thank you, sweetheart, for rocking with me. You're like from day 1. And if you want to be my crown crush, just comment under my videos, smash the like button, be subscribed, and just spam me, okay? Spam me under my videos and you'll definitely be in the run to be my crown crush. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yes, we're actually at the end this time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.